Hey guys, I talk about a lot of different topics, and if you can follow me, I talk a lot about marketing and business and success. And one of the things I think that's important, one of the things I like to talk about is consistency. And it really is a big, big factor in success. I've been trying to create at least two videos every single week, two posts on all my social media channels. I'm losing my voice. You can probably hear me trying to talk right now, but it's consistency. It's making sure that we do the same things every single day, day in and day out. Like that's what really, really drives success. And I think a lot of people lose that. A lot of people give up. They give up too quick. They give up before the magic happens. Doesn't matter whether you're going to the gym or trying to eat healthy, trying to be successful in business, be successful in your marriage, be successful with your kids, whatever the case is, consistency is one of the key ingredients towards success. For more marketing tips and for more business and success tips, be sure to like and follow me, and let's grow.